Hi, my name is David Jones. I'm the CEO of Creating Digital Incomes. You may also know me as the Friendly Marketer. This evening in this tutorial video, I want to welcome you back to the Billion Coin Academy TBC Made Simple. And this is another video in the video series that I'll be taking you through. And this evening in this video, we're going to be looking at registering to become a member of the Billion Coin community. So I'm going to take you quickly through this video. There's not really much to learn here except that basically we are on the info site. As you can see the address up here, I'll just highlight it that you can see https://thebillioncoin.info/index.php. That's the site we're on. This is where you would register as a new member for the Billion Coin community. Now here at the very top of their website, you'll notice that you have register and you have login. We're going to be concentrating on registering, so I'm just going to click the registration button here, and that will take us to another page where we will supply relevant information to get our account set up. On the registration page, you'll notice the first thing that we are advised to do would be to make sure that we add no reply at the billioncoin.info to a whitelist or safe senders list before submitting the sign up. The reason for this is that there are a lot of email providers that would tend to block emails coming from the Billion Coin. And because we want you to get the emails, especially in this sign up process, what we're basically asking you to do is to add no reply at the billioncoin.info to your contact list for the email provider that you use. That's it in a nutshell. So then once you've done that, you come back here and you proceed to sign up, and you'll do that by first providing your full name. Then you want to provide a username. Now your username could be anything that you selected to be. It could be an abbreviation of your full name, whatever you care to do. You're going to put in your email address. It is suggested that you use a Gmail email address, or you can use Proton Mail of protonmail.com, or you can use disroot.org. These are email providers that I have found are very good for the for using with the Billion Coin, and normally there's no problem with these email providers. When you are signing up, you are going to use the same email address throughout whatever program or website you sign up to within the TBC realm. So there are two other accounts that will require setting up besides this one. You're going to use the same email address for all three accounts. From there, you go on to country, and it's a drop-down menu, so you'll just select the drop-down menu, and a list will come up as you've seen here, where you can select your country. Next, you select your password, you confirm your password, and then you hit sign up. When you hit sign up, what's going to happen is that the page is going to take some time. It's going to load, but once it loads, scrolling back up to the top of the page, up here where you're seeing the Billion Coin, you're going to see a green bar appear up here, and it will be telling you, congratulations, you've successfully registered. And from there, you go to your email and you look for the email coming from no reply at the billioncoin.info. You will open that email. There will be a link inside that email for you to click and activate your account here. Once you do that, you then come back here and you log in to your billioncoin.info account. And that is basically all that is required to register for the billioncoin.info. Having done that, That's a wrap. You're now a registered member and you're on to other things. So that's it for this tutorial video. This is how you register to become a member of the Billion Coin community. Hope you got value. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Over and out.